Hello everyone, this is Karzai with the Karzai Real Estate Group. Today I'm going to talk about open houses and why open houses are important when selling a home. Okay, so the number one reason why open houses are important when you're selling a home is because of the convenience. Okay, the standard open house times are Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, well, most people are off on the weekends, okay? So it's super easy for them to come in to the open house, okay? They can come Saturday, they can come Sunday. If they're running late, they don't have to stress because they have usually a 3-hour window. They're not tied to an exact time, okay? So super convenient, okay? Now, obviously you're probably thinking, well, buyers can come and see the house outside of open house times. Yes, they can, but it adds an extra layer of complexity, okay? If a home is vacant, obviously it makes it much easier, but the majority of the time, the sellers are living in the home while they're selling it, okay? So at that point, when you have to schedule it, and it has to be at the convenience of both the buyer and the seller, okay? And if it's not, then it becomes really hard to show the home, okay? Now I'm going to give you a number. What I have seen personally from my experience when I list and sell homes, approximately 80% of the traffic that I see that comes in and sees the home in person comes in through the open house. Think about that. That number right there should tell you more than anything how important an open house is, okay? Personally, I've seen 80% of traffic that comes and sees the house in person come in through the open house, all right? So extremely important. It's a very important piece of the marketing puzzle, an open house. Now, to truly maximize an open house and get as many people to come out and see it as possible, you got to properly prepare the home, okay? You got to declutter the home. You have to, stage it possibly. I mean, you either stage it with the seller's furniture and decor. You can professionally stage it. If a home is vacant, you could leave it vacant too. Vacant homes show well, as well, because they make the home look clean and big. All right, you got to clean the home. Usually professionally cleaning the home, a deep clean, really works best. And then last but not least, you got to take professional photographs. Okay, photographs are very important. Okay. So when you do all that and someone sees your home listed somewhere, probably on the internet somewhere, it compels them to come and see it in person, okay? And that's how you truly maximize your open house tool, okay? So I hope you found that information useful. Questions, concerns, comments, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. This is Karzai with the Karzai Real Estate Group. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.